You're here to learn about some great information about a company that's literally revolutionizing the way our credit is being rebuilt, helping a lot of people change their life financially. Got started with just a little bit about myself. I got started with this company literally 2.5 years ago, primarily just to work on my personal credit. Started with a 520 credit score. In a matter of 5 to 6 months, my credit went from a 520 to a 735. That got me excited, so I decided to market the services to my tax clients. Within a short space of time, we was able to build a pretty extensive book of business, helping people with their credit. Again, your credit affects every single area of your life when it comes to your finances. Currently, I'm what you call a senior vice president with our company, which means that my business is doing over $1 million a month. I'm not saying this to impress you, but just to impress upon you what's possible if you really take this information that you're about to hear very seriously. We have so much people that's having so much amazing success with our opportunity, again, helping people change their financial life and also create financial freedom through the services that we market. So again, financial education services. Our team name is the Alliance, so we just want to welcome you guys to a webinar. So we're going to start with the current state of the personal and financial affairs of the United States. About 43 million people have a 599 credit score or lower. Nearly half Americans don't know their credit score. The average debt is over 225,000, with many people having less than $500 in savings. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck. I used to be one of those people, right? It's stressful. 49% have no retirement, or 18% know they're on track to reach their income goals for retirement. 65% have no will, 82% have no trust, 71% have no power of attorney. Over 58 billion in unclaimed life insurance policies, bank accounts, pensions, stocks, other assets, and property. Basically, people are passing away, not taking care of the assets the right way. Every 2 seconds, identity is stolen. I mean, you just saw over 143 million Americans got their identity stolen through a hack through Equifax. So if you don't have that protection, guess what? Your information is out there, and thieves are stealing information on a daily basis. So you want to make sure you protect your identity. So Financial Education Services company was founded in 2004 by Pyramal Nayak and Mike Toloff. Headquarters in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Company has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. They also are accredited by the Better Business Bureau. Over 100% consistent annual growth. They're a debt-free institution with the same key executives since the company's inception. So we're going to talk a little bit about credit myths. There's a lot of myths out there when it comes to credit. So myth number one, credit agencies are empowered with some type of governmental authority. That's a myth, guys. Credit agencies have no legal authority at all. They're simply private companies who are in the business of collecting and selling credit information. Myth number two, credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. There is no law that credit agencies report anything in you at all. Credit agencies are required by law to automatically remove all derogatory items older than 7 years, student loans or more, or in the case of bankruptcy, 10 years. Now, you do not have to wait 10 years or 7 years to get those negative items removed off your credit report, okay? Myth number three, the information on your credit report cannot be changed, or it is illegal or immoral to have information on your credit report altered or removed. The opposite is true under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Both the federal and various state laws require items be removed if they're not 100% accurate or cannot be verified in a timely manner, okay? Let's say, for instance, you have a debt, and let's say banks have a habit of rounding off numbers. So you might have a debt, let's say it's $10,900. The bank is just going to round that off and put $11,000 on there. That's not accurate, and as a result, they have to remove it off your credit report. That does not mean that you're not responsible for the debt, or the debt doesn't belong to you, but it's not reported accurately, and the inaccurate reporting is affecting your credit score in a negative way. All right, your name could be spelled wrong. All those things affect your credit score. Myth number four, paying a past due debt removes it from your credit report. Just because you're paying an old debt doesn't change or erase the fact that at one time you weren't paying it as agreed. But can this be changed? So absolutely. 35% of your credit score is actually determined by your payment history. So when that's updated to reflect paid as agreed, your credit score will increase. Myth number five, inquiries are not derogatory, will not affect your credit standing. Anything that erodes your financial credibility is damaging to your credit score. In the case of inquiries, one or two is not too bad, but any more than that, they begin to tell a story on their own. Any prospective credit grantor will actually look at your credit report and think that you're desperate for credit. So again, you want to be mindful of how many times you have your credit pulled within a 30-day billing cycle, because the more you have your credit pulled and you get denied, the banks and lending institutions just look at you like you're desperate for credit. So you can restore your score. The Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971 gives Americans the right to dispute or investigate any negative item on your credit report. Inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, judgments, repossessions, bankruptcies, tax liens, collection, short sales, medical bills, and many other items can be removed from your credit file or can be updated to reflect paid as agreed. That includes student loans, tax liens, judgments, traffic tickets, whatever is negative on your credit report can be removed. So we have what's called our protection plan membership. And guys, it's a plan that protects your identity, your credit, your family, finances, and your lifestyle. Yes, Credit Restoration is our flagship product, but we have a ton of other services to help you take care of your finances. So one of the services that you do get is Credit Restoration. You get Positive Credit Builder, FES Debt Zero to help you get out of debt, LifeLock to protect your personal identity. You also get access to a credit attorney. If you have any kind of legal issues, you also want to represent you in courts, any kind of harassing phone calls, you also want to represent you with no additional cost. Smart Credit, so you can monitor your credit report. You also get access to a My Care plan. That includes a living will, a trust, and a power of attorney. You also get a financial log box, so you can secure all your personal documents. You know, that can save you from having to go to probate court, or to save your family from having to go to probate court in the event that something was to happen to you. All your personal financial affairs is in one place. You get a discount shopping card, so you can get cheaper. Any kind of online shopping you do, you can get cheaper rates. You get a YFL Mint, which is the nonprofit side of our company. We educate young people from the age of 8 to 18 on personal finance. You can also get scholarship money towards college, their high school senior or college freshman. You get an RX discount card and an FES travel portal, so you can get cheaper flights. Now, the life insurance policy is only for agents. That's the only thing that the clients don't get access to. If you're an agent, you get $100,000 in life insurance. So the process goes as a credit. What we do, we pull your credit, we do a detailed analysis on it. Whatever is negative on your credit report with all 3 credit bureaus will be disputed all at once. We send you the letters in the mail. All you have to do is sign those letters, send them off to the credit bureaus. They have 30 days, max 45 to respond. You're going to start seeing results within 45 to 90 days. Again, we dispute every negative item that's on a client's credit report. A lot of companies, what they will do, they will pick and choose 1 or 2 items, charge you a monthly fee, but drag that out as long as possible, okay? And again, we also leverage a Fair Credit Reporting Act, which was passed by Congress, to stop the credit bureaus. Once you remove those negative items off your credit report by law, they cannot replace them back on your credit report. So everyone gets access to their own portal. This is what your portal would look like. You'll see what your current starting score is. You can update your ID. You can see your progress report. You can also print your dispute letters right from your portal. Again, you have the contacts, so you can get in contact with the company and so forth. Now, once you pull your credit, this is what it will look like. The top part, you see where it says status and it says in dispute. All those negative items are being disputed. And as time goes on, you will see the negative items that got deleted. Once the credit bureaus respond to you, send those back to the company so they can make the necessary updates to your portal. And you will see the increases through your Smart Credit app that you have access to, so you can get access to your credit report 24/7. Now, here's a comparison table and price. You have financial education services. Again, it's not just a credit restoration company. We're really a financial literacy company, credit repair being the flagship product. So you get credit restoration, you get a will, trust, power of attorney, credit monitoring, identity theft, debt elimination. Because we have so much people that don't understand that, yes, you can get your credit score increased, but if you have significant debt hanging over your head, your credit score can get right back to being low again. So as you can see, other companies out there, you know, the Lexington Law, the Sky Blue, Credit Repair, all these companies, they don't provide nothing close to what we actually offer. And we have the fastest results in the industry based on our approach of disputing every negative item that's on a client's credit report all at once. You also have the ability to earn income through our opportunity. So all the services that I just mentioned, as a customer, it's $188 to get started. It's a one-time $99 activation fee plus $89 for your first month of service. And every 30 days, you'll be billed $87. Again, you can cancel at any time. And again, these services, not just credit restoration, but you're helping you take care of your finances and your household, protecting your identity. The last thing that you want to do is increase your credit score and then get your identity stolen, right? We also help you eliminate debt. So we also, again, the YFL, Youth Financial Literacy Program, we educate young people from the age of 8 to 18 on personal finance. Excuse me. We just gave away $180,000 in scholarship money to college kids just a couple months ago in this past February. Now we are already on track to give away $200,000 this coming February 2018. So what we're going to do at this point is just switch gears a little bit. We have a ton of people who jumped on this webinar to figure out how they can actually be a part of this amazing opportunity, right? And the great thing about this business is that you have the ability to set your own schedule. Just think about you starting a business right now. You know, a lot of people want to get into business, but the overhead is what's killing a lot of people. I mean, just to start a credit repair business, you're looking at office space. If you have to go do this on your own, you're looking at an office space. You're looking at customer service. You're looking at a legal team. Just to be able to do all this, you will put you a couple $1,000s in debt to be able to get started. Well, with our company, as an agent with our company, you get access to your personalized website. You also get access to the services that the clients get access to, plus $100,000 in life insurance, again, that you don't need to do a medical exam for. You get an online sales tracking system, agent and customer support already available, residual income bonuses, and the R&R Club. I'm going to let you guys know what that is shortly. Strive for 5 and much more. As an agent with our company, to get started is $288. It's a one-time $199 for the agency, $89 a month for your services. But once you have 5 clients, all your services are free. And that's why we say you strive for 5. So you strive for 5. Whether you have 5 customers or 5 agents, all of your services are free. That's right. You get $100,000 in life insurance for free with 5 customers. Now, on each protection plan membership that you sign up, that you bring on board, you would earn $100. So that's over 66% commission that's being paid out to the agent that enrolls that customer. There is no limit to the amount of customers you can acquire. As an agent sign up with a protection plan, you go here and you sign up 3 customers a day. Guys, 3 customers a day, when you do the math, you're looking at over $9,000 in personal income. $3,000 just on personal efforts. Imagine you incorporating the efforts of other people by building an organization, building a team, which will show you what to do. On your personal residual income, if you were to sign up, every customer that you sign up on the $89 program, you would earn $12 every single month residually once that customer or that agent is actually making a payment. So let's say, for instance, for example's sake, you want to acquire 10 customers per month. Over the next 12 months, you're looking at over roughly $1,400 coming in residually every single month. Guys, that means that you're getting paid over and over and over for something that you did months and months ago. Okay, the power of residual. Now, you also have leverage overriding residual income, and that's based on teaching your team how to personally go out there and enroll new customers. So on this example, if you have 2 agents in your team and you teach both of them to acquire 10 protection plans each month, and you teach 2 people, you have 20 protection plans. Those 2 people bring on 2 personal sponsored agents, you'd have 40. 4 get 2, you'd have 8 new people, that's 80. 8 get 2, that's 60 new people in your business. You have 160 protection plan memberships. 16 people get 2, you have 32 people, 320 protection plans in your business. 32 people get 2, that's 640 protection plans in your business, a total of 1,260 protection plans. Your residual income will be in the vicinity of $3,000. But let's say, for instance, you want to get that half right. You know, just on illustration purpose, you got that 50% right. You're looking at still $1,500 coming in. Again, you had nothing to do with these customers getting started. You teach 2 people and they duplicated what you taught them. You always keep earning money residually through our company. Now, we have also what's called a customer acquisition bonus, and you have yourself, you get it started. Once you sign up an agent and you help that agent generate 2 customers, the company will pay you an initial customer acquisition bonus of $100. Now, that ranges from $100 all the way up to $550, just depends on your current title with the company. So this second column here is a field trainer. That's the first promotion in the company. To become a field trainer, you need to personally enroll 2 agents. You help them get 2 sales. You have a total of 16 overall in group volume. Now, that's your first promotion. You also get a raise in pay. When you sign up an agent as a field trainer, you help them get 2 customers. You pick up $160 customer acquisition bonus. The next promotion is a senior field trainer. To become a senior field trainer, you need to help 2 people become field trainers. So you duplicate what you just did with 2 new people. $5,000 overall. Now you're picking up a total of $240 when you sign up an agent and you help them generate 2 customers. The next promotion is a sales director. And that's the biggest jump in the compensation plan by any title. As a sales director, you have the ability to earn literally $4,000 to $6,000 a month once you actually are building your business. Now you're picking up $380 for every agent that you get started. So on this example, if you had to sign up three agents a week and you're helping those agents generate 2 customers, you're looking at over $1,000 a week. Again, by you going out there and helping people get started to increase their credit score and also help them build a business. Next promotion is a regional. Now you're doing $25,000 in business. You're getting paid a total of $430. Executive, $50,000 in business, $475. When you sign up an agent, help them get 2 sales. Vice president, now up to $500 in customer acquisition bonus. Now you're doing over $100,000. That's a great place to be. That's one of the most prestigious ranks in the company in our leadership position. Vice president, you're able to earn some significant income on a monthly basis. Again, you're doing over $100,000 in business every business volume month. Next promotion is a regional vice president, up to $510. Executive, $520. Senior vice president, $530. Senior regional vice president, now you're doing $2.5 million in business. You're getting paid up to $540. And senior executive vice president, $550. Guys, there is no limit to the amount of income that you can actually generate with this company. Now, you also have the ability, I'm just going to go back 1 second. Let's say, for instance, you are a sales director in our company. As a sales director, if you look all the way to the right-hand side, when you sign up an agent and you help them get 2 customers, you get paid $380, okay? Now, that agent that just got started, you help them get 2 customers, they're a brand new agent, so they will pick up $100 for each customer, which is $200. But when they start building their team, because their goal is to become a field trainer, when they sign up their agents to build their business, help them become a field trainer, they will pick up a cab bonus of $100. But the fact that you're the one that's getting them started and you're their business mentor, the company will give you an override bonus, which would be $380 minus $100. So you're looking at $280 for something that you didn't even do, just by you now having leverage building your business. Imagine that person went out there and signed up 10 brand new agents into your team, continually earning income with this business. And again, that's just an example as a sales director. Imagine you're a vice president. Every agent that come on board, you help them get 2 agents. You just picked up $400, just like that. Okay. So again, you have the ability to earn some significant income with this company. Now we have what's called a FES R&R Club, and that's built towards rest, relaxation, and retirement. And it's based on the accumulation of our protection plan memberships. Once you have 500 protection plan memberships in your entire organization, guys, I remember when I got started, it used to, 500 looked like a big number, but it's very doable. And we have so much people that's hitting this level in our company, 500 protection plans within a short space of time. You have so much people qualifying for that $600 Audi car payment. Again, it's based on the efforts of your entire team. You start receiving a $600 payment towards an Audi. Any Audi of your choice, you go to the car dealership, the company makes the payment every single month for you. The car is in your name as well. You also can get a $10,000 one-time bonus, $25,000, $50,000. Just about 3 weeks ago, we were in Atlanta, seeing so many people cross the stage receiving $10,000 bonus, $25,000, $50,000. One of our business partners, one of our leaders from Atlanta, Ms. Nicola Smith-Jackson, she walked away with $75,000 in bonuses from our company for achieving great business, for achieving the rank of that bonus with our company. You can also receive your car allowance can go from $600 all the way up to $1,500 allowance. You can also receive a $5,000 monthly mortgage payment, retirement bonus of up to $25,000, matching bonus every single month to put in any investment vehicle of your choice. You can also get a lifetime bonus ranging from $100,000 to $250,000 monthly. Guys, that does not include your personal income. That does not include everything else that you're doing, your customers, your agents, building your business, you building your business. That's just bonuses that's in place for every single agent. It's $3.1 million in bonuses for every single agent that joins our company. And again, we have so much people that's driving free cars, getting bonuses left and right, and just doing some amazing things with our company. Here's a couple here from Chicago. Anthony and Elise Jackson got started 15 months ago with our company. And, when I remember when Anthony got started, he literally had $1.09 left in his bank account. And his first month in business, he went out there and he put in the work. He was able to generate over $10,000 in his first 30 days. In 9 months of him building his business, he became a six-figure earner. The following month, he picked up a free Audi paid for by the company. Also became a cruise winner, a full paid for cruise by our company. Hit in the second level in R&R Club, which means that he picked up a $10,000 bonus check a couple weeks ago. Had amazing success. This gentleman went from, losing his job, being homeless at one point, to building a life for himself and his family. This is just outstanding. This gentleman right here, Mr. Warren Barfield, already was a business owner, got started to help people. As he was looking at his business, he noticed that his income was going backwards, and he's looking for additional source of income and decided to partner with a company. Now he's a vice president with a company, R&R Club member. That's him with his car, with a company. And again, money's no longer a concern for him because he's building a nationwide business. So how is all this possible, guys? That's just a couple of examples. We have so much more testimonies that we can share. How is all this possible, guys? We have online training, conference calls, local trainings, regional one-day training, 2-day advanced trainings. We have national 3-day leadership trainings that's put together. We have our FES Momentum Society, which is our training platform to help people become successful, in any profession, guys, in any industry. The highest trained people are usually the highest paid people. So if you want to take your life and your business to the next level, you have to plug into the training. Whether you want any profession, whether you want to get into real estate, whether you wanted to get into mortgages, whether you want to get into being a tax preparer, any profession, you have to put in the time to get trained so you can understand and be competent in what you're doing, understand how to maximize our comp plan, understand how to sell the services, understand how to market our service to real estate agents, mortgage brokers, car dealerships, individuals, to help you build a massive business. So at this point, just a quick recap, guys. You decide your level of interest. You want to provide some referrals. Hey, we welcome your referrals. So I'm pretty sure you want to see that person that invited you to the webinar become successful. If you have some referrals, feel free to refer these individuals so we can help them increase their credit score. If you want to become a customer, it's $188 to get started. One-time $99 activation fee, plus the first month of service, which is $89. You'll be billed $89 every month for the services. Or you want to become an agent and also get access to the services. It's $280 to join our business as an agent. Congratulations and welcome to Financial Education Services. Welcome to the Alliance. Welcome to our team, guys. We're here to help you become successful.